In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know about UML state machine diagrams and show you how to build your own using Lucidchart's intelligent diagramming features. What is a UML state machine or state chart diagram? It's a diagram used to model the dynamic behavior of a single object by showing its lifetime of various states. State diagram versus activity diagrams. Which should you use? While activity diagrams show the flow of a process, state diagrams focus specifically on an object's changing status. When should I use a UML state diagram? Use them when you need to map out complex logic or reactive systems where an object behaves differently based on its current state. Before we build, let's look at the UML state diagram symbols and components you'll need to master to create a professional-grade chart. Every state chart starts with an initial state, followed by states represented by rounded rectangles, transitions shown as arrows, and a final state indicating the end of the process. Now let's jump into a step-by-step tutorial, how to draw a state diagram quickly and efficiently using the tools available in Lucidchart. First, enable the UML shape library. Drag out your initial state and create your first transition by clicking and dragging from the node of the circle to a state shape. Name your states and transitions clearly. You can use guard conditions in brackets to show that a transition only happens if a specific requirement is met. Once your diagram is complete, use Lucid's real-time collaboration to gather feedback and ensure your system logic is airtight before moving into the development phase. Now you're ready to build. Log in to Lucidchart and start modeling your system states today. Thanks for watching.